Hey, what's up everybody? I got a 2020 Honda CR-V. I'm going to do the maintenance light reset. So to do this, we're going to be using these buttons right here and this button. We're going to push this I button on the steering wheel, sorry about the autofocus, until we see the gear come up. I mean the wrench. So there's the wrench, and I'm going to push enter and hold it. Now it says oil life 15%. Now I'm going to push enter again, and I'm just going to hold it for about 15 seconds. Kind of takes a minute. It's going to give me a menu. Okay, so maintenance reset. So depending on what item your oil change is set to, you can go to all do items and it'll reset everything. But let me get a little closer. It'll say like B item, item 1, item 2, item 3, 84. You know, I don't know what these are assigned to, but all I really care about is the maintenance side. I'm not worried about the other stuff, so I'm going to just hit all do items. I'm going to push enter and hold it, and it'll say reset completed. Oil life 100%. And that's how you do it on the 2020 Honda CR-V.